children, this is question from class 10th, chapter 14, probability. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out an fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So let's see how many fish we have in total. We have 5 plus 8, that is 13. So let's do the question. So we have to find the male fish. So total fish we have is 5 plus 8, that will be 13, and we have to find the probability of getting the male fish. So number of male fish we have here is 5. So probability of getting male fish will be is equal to favorable outcome by total possible outcome. So favorable outcome here is 5 and total outcome is 13. So probability of getting male fish is 5 by 13. Now let's go to question number 12, that says a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. So what is the probability that it will point at 8? So we see here we have 8 outcomes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first of all, let us write down total outcomes. So total outcomes here we have is 8, and 8 here occurs only once. So we write number of times 8 occurs is equal to 1. So probability of getting number 8 will be is equal to favorable outcome, that is 1, and total possible outcome, that is 8. So probability of getting number 8 is 1 by 8 here. Now let's go to its second part, an odd number. So we see here in this game odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So first of all, write down total outcomes. Total outcomes again here is 8, and odd numbers here are 1, 3, 5, 7, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 here. So probability of getting an odd number will be is equal to 4 by 8, or this is 4 ones are 4 and 4 to the 8, that is 1 by 2. So probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2 here. Now let's go to his third part. Third part is a number greater than 2. So here we see number greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is total 6 numbers that are greater than 2. So let us write down, we have total outcomes are 8, and number greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 6 here. So probability of getting number greater than 2 will be is equal to favorable outcome, that is 6, total outcome, that is 8. This cancels from 2, we have 3 by 4 here. So probability of getting number greater than 2 will be 3 by 4 here. Now next part is a number less than 9. So we see here total outcomes here are 8, but all these outcomes are less than 9. So we want to know the probability of getting number less than 9. So all outcomes are less than 9. So it is a sure event. sure or certain event. So probability of getting number less than 9 will be is equal to 1 here, because it is a sure event. This was our question 12. Now let us go to our question 13. Question 13 is a die thrown once, find the probability getting a prime number. So we know in a die there are 6 numbers. So total outcomes here is 6 here, and prime number, we know prime number are 1, 3 and 5 here. So that is 1, 2, 3, that is 3. So number of prime numbers are 3. So probability of getting prime number will be is equal to favorable outcome, that is 3, total outcome, that is 6, that will be 1 by 2 here. Okay, prime number are 2, 3 and 5 here. So 2, 3 and 5 is the prime number. So there are 3 prime numbers here. So probability of getting prime number will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 here. Now let's go to the second part, a number lying between 2 and 6. Again, total outcomes we have is 6 here. Number between 2 and 6 are 3, 4, 5, that is 3 here. So probability of getting number between 2 and 6 will be is equal to favorable outcome, that is 3, total outcome, that is 6, that will be 1 by 2 here. Now let's go to the third part. We have to find an odd number here. So again, total outcomes here is 6, and odd number we have is 1, 3 and 5, that is 3 here, and probability of getting odd number will be is equal to favorable outcome by total outcome, that is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2 here. Now let us go to our question 14. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So find the probability of getting a king of red color. Now let us see, in a deck of 52 we have 52 cards here, and in a deck of 52 cards there are 13 cards of diamond, that is of red color, and 13 cards of hearts, that is also of red color, 13 cards of club, that is of black color, and 13 cards of spade, that is of black color here. So in diamonds we have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king here. These are called the face cards. So in each diamond, hearts and club and spade we have 13 cards, and we have 3 face cards in each. Okay, now let's start with our question. This was our deck of cards here. So now we have to find here a king of red color, So here we see king of red color. These are of red colors, diamond and hearts are of red color. So king are 1 and 2. There are only 2 king of red colors. So we can write king of red color is equal to 2, and total outcomes we know a deck has 52 cards, that is 52. So probability of getting king of red color will be is equal to favorable outcome by total outcome, and that cancels by 2. We have 1 by 26 here. So now let us go to the second part, a face card. So we have seen that. Again let's go to our cards. Face cards are 3 in the diamonds, 3 in the hearts and 3 in the club and 3 in the spade. That will be is equal to 3 4s are 12. So total face cards, we can write total face cards are 12 here, and total outcomes we have 52. We have 52 cards here. So probability of getting face card will be is equal to 12 by 52. This cancels from 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are, and 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, and we have 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. That will be 3 by 13 here. Now let's go to our third part, a red face card. A red face card we have, let's see, face cards we have 3 here in diamond and 3 in hearts. So that will be 6. So a red face card. So we have total red face cards we have is 6 here, and total outcomes we have is 52. So probability of getting an event, or you can say probability of getting red face, will be 6 by 52. That cancels by 2. We have 3 by 26 here. Okay, now let's go to the fourth part, a jack of hearts. So in a deck, hearts cards are 13 and jack is only 1. So a jack of hearts in a deck is 1, and total outcomes again is 52. So probability of getting an event will be equal to 1 by 52, or you can say probability of getting hearts is 1 by 52. A spade card. So in a deck of 52 there are spade cards. There are 13 cards of spade. So we can write spade cards, number of spade cards are 13, and total outcomes we know is 52. So probability of getting a spade card will be is equal to 13 by 52, or we cancel out, we have 1 by 4 here. Now let's go to the sixth part, a queen of diamond. We know there is only one queen of diamond here. See here, only one diamond, we have only one queen. So we write down queen of diamond is equal to 1, and total outcomes we have is 52. So probability of getting queen of diamond will be is equal to favorable outcome, that is 1, and total outcome, that is 52 here. So answer here will be 1 by 52. Now let's go to our 15th question. 5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downward. One card is picked up random. What is the probability of getting the queen? So we have only 5 cards here, 10, jack, queen, king and ace. So probability of getting queen. So number of queen cards here is 1, and total outcome, there is only 5 cards, so total outcomes are 5. So probability of getting queen card will be is equal to 1 by 5 here. Now let's go to the second part. If the queen is drawn and put outside, what is the probability that the second card is an ace card? So here we see we only have 5 cards here, and we have taken out queen here. So now total outcomes remains is 4 here. So we write down total outcomes is equal to 4 and A's card is only 1. So probability of getting A's card will be is equal to 1 by 4 here. Now probability of getting queen here. So here we see we have taken out the queen card and we do not have another queen card here because we have 10, jack and queen is taken out and king and ace. So we do not have queen card. So every time we pick up a card we do not get queen at once. So we can say it is an impossible event. Impossible event. Therefore probability of getting the event is equal to 0 here. So I hope you understood this question. This was 15th question from 16 onwards. Watch my next video. Thank you.